How to fix Toloco massage gun not working here on your device. Step by step in this video how you can resolve this issue. So first one is simply check the power switch if it's working or not. Then charge the massage gun, plug it into the original charger and leave it to charge for at least about 30 to 60 minutes and look for battery indicator lights. If there is no light, could mean a dead battery or charger issue. Okay. Third step is try a different charging cable or adapter. If there are no charging lights, try a different USB-C or DC barrel charger. A different power outlet on your other wall. Many issues are caused by faulty chargers, not the gun itself. Step 4 is reset the massage gun. Some Toloco models allow a soft reset. Turn off the gun, hold down the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds, then release and try to turning it on back. Step 5 will be check for battery connection issues. If the battery is removable, take it out and reinsert it firmly. Clean the battery contact with a dry cloth to ensure a good connection. On non-removable models, try gentle tapping the base in case of a loose internal contact. Now look for lock mode. If there is anything like lock button or anything, maybe your gun is locked, so you should just check for that and disable if it's enabled there. Now inspect for mechanical jam. If the motor hums but does not move, the massage head may be jammed or inserted too tightly. Remove the head and restart the device. Try using another head attachment. Step 8 is contact Toloco support. If this issue is right now, you can simply contact to the customer support. Thank you so much.